Have you ever wanted to use Smartsheet but didn't want to create an account? In this video, I'll show you how to use Smartsheet without an account. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that can help you manage projects, tasks, and data. It's a great tool for teams of all sizes, and it can be used for a variety of purposes, such as project management, task management, content management, marketing, sales, customer service, and much more. Smartsheet is typically used with an account, but there are a few ways to use it without one. In this video, I'll show you two methods: using the Smartsheet viewer, using the Smartsheet trial, using the Smartsheet viewer. The Smartsheet viewer is a free tool that allows you to view and interact with Smartsheet sheets without an account. You can use it to view sheets that have been shared with you, or to create your own sheets and share them with others. Here's how to use the Smartsheet viewer. Go to the Smartsheet website and click on the Viewer button. Enter the URL of the sheet you want to view. Click on the View button. Once you're in the viewer, you can view and interact with the sheet just like you would if you had an account. You can also export the sheet to a CSV file. Using the Smartsheet trial. The Smartsheet trial is a free 30-day trial of the full version of Smartsheet. You can use the trial to create and edit sheets, collaborate with others, and use all of the features of Smartsheet. Here's how to use the Smartsheet trial. Go to the Smartsheet website and click on the Try Smartsheet for Free button. Enter your email address and click on the Start My Free Trial button. Once you're in the trial, you can create and edit sheets, collaborate with others, and use all of the features of Smartsheet. Additional tips: if you're only going to be using Smartsheet occasionally, the viewer may be a good option for you. If you want to use all of the features of Smartsheet, the trial is a good way to try it out before committing to a paid subscription. Once your trial is over, you can either upgrade to a paid subscription or continue to use the viewer. I hope this video has helped you learn how to use Smartsheet without an account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Smartsheet, I encourage you to check out the following resources. Smartsheet website, https://www.smartsheet.com. Smartsheet YouTube channel, https://www.youtube.com/watch?mark_rtho_mno6os. Smartsheet blog, https://www.smartsheet.com/content-center. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And until next time, happy Smartsheeting.